starts. Okay, it started recording our video. Okay, now I'll go to Whitehead Junior tab, and here I'm going to this teacher activity 1. Okay, just listen carefully where I'm going to explain you how you can create this calculator. Okay, the age calculator application. Okay, yes. So, Samardhi, you don't have any doubt in the purpose of the application and in the algorithm and all, right? Okay. So now we are going to the second step, which is design the application. So I'll go to design. Okay. So first, let me change the theme of my screen. Okay. Here, can you see there is a theme option? You can click here and you can choose any theme. Okay. It's all up to you. There are so many options which is available. Okay. Let me go with this one. Okay. And now, first, I want to, I want to let you know the user that what they are going to do do in this particular application. So I will take a label. So what the label, when you will use the label means if you want to print something in your screen, if you want to display some text in your screen, then you can use this label. Okay, so this is our first label. In here, in the place of text, I will change the text as enter your age. Enter your age. Okay, now I'm gonna change the width as 150 and I'm going to change the height as 30. Not 30. Let me make it as 40. And here I'll just make it as 200. Okay, now the text size is very small, right? Now I'm going to increase the font size. Okay, yeah, so I'm just increasing the font size this much. Okay, now I'll keep it in the center of the screen like this. And now I'll just text align this to center. And then if you want, you can apply the border. So border width, let me apply the border color to this as red. Can you see over the label, there is the border theme. Can you see the border? Yes. Okay. And then next one. So now we are asking the user to enter their age, correct? So where they will enter their age? So yeah, hello. You can't hear me? Okay, so why don't you use one headphone then? Is there any headphone available? Yeah. So because I'm talking with my full voice, you know? Yeah. Okay, yeah, just increase the volume. Yeah. Done? Okay. So now the user, okay, user means nothing but, okay, the person who is using your application. Okay. So where they will enter the value. So here we are going to add one text input, a new component, which is text input in the screen. Okay. This is the text input. And here in the text input, if the user they will get confused. What is this, right? Either this is a button or what is this? They will get confused. So here, can you see there is a placeholder? Here, you can provide hint to the user like enter your age here. Can you see? It came here, right? Yes. If you want, you can change the text color. This one? Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one. Placeholder in the sense nothing but we are providing a hint to the user that what they are gonna do with this particular component, which is the text input. Okay, if you simply make it as blank, they will think, okay, what I have to do here, right? Right? Yes. So now this is the text input. No, here actually if you're adding the text input, by default it will come here. Okay. Yeah, it is an option which is there in the property. You can just add the text to the placeholder. Okay. Yes. And after that, I'm going to add one button. Okay. I'll keep it here. And in the button, I will change the text as click here to find your age in hours. Okay. Now, can you see, what do you think? Do I need to increase the width of the button? Yes, right? Yeah, so yeah, so I'm just increasing the width of the button. Okay. Okay, I'll keep it like this, and I'm going to change the background color. So, dear, the designing part and all, it's all up to you because you are going to create the application. You can decide how your application, like how you can make it beautiful as much you can. Okay, so here after this, now, so what the user will do when they will find enter your age, and if they find there, like, enter your age here, they will enter the age there and they will click on the button to check their age in hours. Correct. And now where we are gonna output. Hello. Yeah, hello.